G'day explorers. Today we are looking at the installation of the HX-M1 GPS Navigator on this amazing Triumph touring bike. Now this GPS Navigator can also be used on quad bikes or side-by-side vehicles. It's ruggedized and waterproof. It's going to cop all the types of terrain you drive through. Today's video will involve the install, so stay tuned and see how we actually put the HX-M1 onto an amazing motorcycle like this. If you're not confident in doing an install like this, always seek out help from an auto elec or your local bike mechanic. If you'd like to have a look at the unboxing video, I've got some great details about what's included. Make sure you check this link above. Throughout this install, you may have noticed we have installed the optional dual camera kit. These are dash cams, so they'll record your footage when you're on road for safety and also include those adventures when you're off-road. It's an essential part of the new HX-M1 GPS Motorcycle Navigator. It'll be a great opportunity for you to see the HX-M1 going into this amazing vehicle in front of me.
Firstly, lay out all of the components of the HX-M1. Confirm you have the required tools, including pliers, a screwdriver, cable ties, electric tape, and a socket or spanner set for tightening fittings. We begin with the handlebar mount. Choose a position that's visible while riding, but don't obstruct any of your controls. In this case, the left side positioned close to the center of the handlebars works. The mount includes an anti-slip insert to prevent rotation while riding. Secure the bracket firmly. Next, install the unit into the mount. Tighten the locking screws so that the device is secure and stable. Once mounted, organize the cables exiting the rear of the unit and secure them with cable ties. To route the wiring cleanly through the bike, remove the seat and carefully remove the side and front panels beneath the handlebar. This provides access for feeding cables internally and keeping the install tidy. If installing the optional dash cams, begin with feeding the rear camera cable from the back of the bike, feeding it under the seat and through the open side panel. Connect it to the matching color-coded cables from the HX-M1 harness. Align, push together and twist to lock securely. Repeat the process for the front camera connection. Next, mount the handlebar controller on the same side as the screen. Position it close to the grip for easy access. The anti-slip insert helps keep it in a firm place. Feed the controller cable alongside the existing wiring. Connect it to the corresponding plug from the main harness, again align and twisting securely. Now connect the GPS module. Attach it to the matching connector for the HX-M1 harness. Secure the connection and feed it under the seat. Mount it in an open position with clear view upwards, using the adhesive backing to hold it in place. Tidy excess wiring with cable ties. With all the components connected, it's time to supply power. Connecting the ring terminals from the hardware kit directly to the motorcycle battery, negative to negative, positive to positive, ensure all connections are tightened securely. If your motorcycle requires tapping into an accessory circuit, consult a qualified technician to ensure correct fuse placement and safe power management. Once power is connected, reinstall the side panel and refit the seat. Adjust the front and rear cameras to their desired positions using the supplied adhesive mounts. Start the engine. The HX-M1 should power up automatically. Check the camera feeds on the screen and rotate the camera lenses as needed for correct orientation. Make any final adjustments to the mounting positions or cable management now that everything is connected and powered. And that's it. Your HX-M1 is installed and ready for the ride ahead.
Thanks for joining us today as we've installed the HX-M1 on this Triumph Tiger awesome touring bike that we've got in front of us. Check out our first rides video because that's what we're about to do, is test this amazing HX-M1 out on the roads, do a bit of touring and check out some of those tracks. I'm Justin from Hema Maps. Thanks for joining us today.